We have hands-on experience on Python programming language in ATL lab. Python is one of the most widely used programming languages in artificial intelligence AI, and for good reason. It offers the perfect combination of simplicity, power and flexibility, making it ideal for building everything from basic AI models to advanced neural networks. Easy to learn and use. Python has simple, readable syntax, almost like plain English, so developers can focus more on solving AI problems than on writing complex code. Rich library ecosystem. NumPy, Pandas, Skitlearn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, Keras. Community and support. Python has a huge global community of AI researchers, developers, and enthusiasts. Flexibility and integration. Python can be easily integrated with other tools and languages like C, Java, or R. Rapid prototyping. Python allows fast development and testing of AI models. Platform independence. Python works on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. We have to design different Python AI projects. Example: chatbot, face detection app, stock price predictor, self-driving car simulator, language translator.